Hello,
Lawn Flats Agency.
Lawn Plus Agency.
Can I help you?
Can I help you?
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes.
My name's Mark Jones.
My name's Mark Jones.
I'm phoning about the flat for rent in Putney.
I'm phoning about the flat for rent in Putney.
I saw the advertisement in the paper.
I saw advertisement in the paper.
In Putney. Well, yes, Mr. Jones, that one's got 2 bedrooms.
In Putney. Well, yes, Mr. Jones, that was go 2 bedrooms.
Are they double bedrooms?
Are they double bedrooms?
1 double and 1 single.
1 double and 1 single.
Okay.
Okay.